Welcome back. We have breaking updates now coming in. The Gali Brigade is back at it. The UP Congress chief has now crossed all limits. Ajay Rai has abused Prime Minister Modi, and the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has hit out at the Congress party over this rant, saying it's filthy, it's deplorable and disgusting. So yet again, we're seeing the political discourse reach a new low.
मोदी की मोदी की मोदी की मोदी की.
So we've beeped out the words abusive language being used for the Prime Minister. Now remember, unfortunately, we've seen chants that have been raised at Congress rallies, and the Congress has always distanced itself. And now you have a senior Congress leader, the UP Congress chief, who has crossed all limits. My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Adib, this is political discourse reaching a new low. Now the Prime Minister is being used in such filthy, abusive language that it has to be beeped out.
Well, certainly, Pratibhansi, this is not the first time that the opposition parties, especially the Congress party and the Samajwadi party, is attacking Prime Minister, and not just attacking, but using filthy language, using the abusive language. Earlier, it was the Samajwadi party MP from Mahoba who used the derogatory remarks against Prime Minister Modi, and now it's the UP Congress chief Ajay Rai who was in Mahoba, and he, in fact, abused Prime Minister Modi. So this is not the first time that we are seeing such filthy comments coming from the opposition parties. There can be political differences. There can be ideological differences, but using such language, it is clearly a derogatory remark that Ajay Rai has made against Prime Minister Modi. And in fact, the ally partner Samajwadi Party was quick to react. They have distanced themselves from the remarks that have been made by Ajay Rai. The BJP has now attacked Ajay Rai for taking out for using such language. In fact, the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has hit out at the Congress Party chief, and in fact, the other leaders of the BJP, Delhi BJP, they have also hit out at Ajay Rai. In fact, they went on to say that a few weeks back when Ajay Rai was not well, it was the Prime Minister Modi, way before other Congress leaders took cognizance of his health. It was the Prime Minister Modi who checked on his health, and now after he has recovered from his ill health, now he's again on a rant. He's abusing Prime Minister Modi.
Okay, all right, Adib, stay with us. We have breaking updates now coming in on the outrage over Ajay Rai's remarks, with the BJP now hitting out at the Congress leader, saying this is an abusive rant by the Congress that's unacceptable, and also questioning the Congress party. The BJP asking, where is this Mohabbat ki dukaan that Rahul Gandhi speaks about?
This is not Gandhiwadi Congress. This is Rahul Gandhi's Gali Wali Congress. After Rahul Gandhi has used term Gaddar on his instructions, every Congress leader is now abusing the constitutional post of Prime Minister, abusing Prime Minister because he comes from OBC community, and they're using these bad words on instructions of Rahul Gandhi. And today the words spoken by Ajay Rai cannot even be repeated. The same Ajay Rai, when he was not well, Prime Minister asked him about his health. But now look at the language being used. This shows sanskar apna apna.
So the BJP has hit out at the Congress party and has said that this is a senior leader of the party. In fact, the BJP has also questioned the claim that Rahul Gandhi makes on Mohabbat ki dukaan. He speaks about Mohabbat ki dukaan, but look at the kind of filthy language that is being used by the Congress leaders. And these are senior leaders of the party. The UP Congress chief who has used an abusive language against the Prime Minister.
मोदी की मोदी की मोदी की मोदी की.
Right, with that, we slip into a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.